Hi, this is Nellie Deutsch. Voki is an amazing tool for every age group. It makes learning a lot more interesting. Great way to introduce yourself to your class, to your peers, and also to engage others in a conversation by using an avatar. First thing you need to do is get an account, get a free account as a teacher. Next, you're going to go to the top where it says Create. Click on the Create. Notice I'm there now, so let me just go back into Voki, into the main page, so you get an idea. Going to go up again, as I said, to Create. There we are. Click on that. Now it's clickable. Wait a few seconds, and then notice it says, I've got quite a few here, so don't let that disturb you. I've been on Voki since 2009, I believe. Quite a few years. Click on the Create New. There's also a plus there. Click on that. A few steps here. The title you'll give at the end, so don't worry about the fact that it has no title right now. That'll come. Now notice you've got a few options here. Right now we've got an animal, but we're going to change that. And how do we change to get other kinds of avatars? Unless you want an animal, which is perfectly fine. You click on the head at the top, and then you get, on the right, you get more dogs. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. Okay, notice that this is the category for dogs, or animals for that matter. Let me continue here. So we've got animals all the way down, okay, different kinds of animals. Let's go back and click on the head. So we get other things besides animals, of course. Okay, I'm going to start with the category. I'm going to hit the category. Notice, after I hit the category, this is the current category. After I hit that over here, okay, going to get other categories. Okay, notice there's the box and the various categories. You can try them out. I'm sure your students, especially young learners, will love it. So will everybody else. Going to choose this guy. Okay, that's the one that I currently have. You can see by what's on the right. Okay, so these are it. You can choose male or female, whatever you'd like to be. It's your avatar, remember? It's not really you. Going to choose this one. Okay, click on her. There she is. Going to choose the background, and notice all these features here. The top is the head. And then you've got clothing and other prompts over here. You've got the background, colors of the various things that you want, and then at the end you've got to add your voice because it is about an avatar speaking, not just looking at you. All right, so let's continue down here with the background. I like to change the background. I mean, I love hearts, but I'm not sure if that's what I want right now. If you've got a paid version, you can also add your own background. Okay, but let me choose from these. There are a lot more available. If you go into each of these, okay, you'll get more avatars. Background. Ooh, that's kind of... Okay, there. Okay, try them out and see whichever you prefer. Oh no, that's gloomy. Sorry about that. But your students will love this. Okay, now I've got a category. Notice here, that's what I get under various categories. So what we've got here are categories in the middle. Okay, on the right is whatever's pertaining to the category, and that's your main area. Students will find this very intuitive, but if you're having a hard time, feel free to ask me. Let me go into this category here and notice what's coming up. Okay, under this category, buildings, schools, coffee shops, and so on. I think I like that one, the street. Okay, choose whichever. If you go into the dragon, you'll get all kinds of dragon and different things. House, in the house, related to house, parties. Okay, so go through each of these. School, there's school. Okay, I'm going to choose, I think it was here. I liked this one. Yeah, I like the colors. All right, so next you're going to change colors. So you're going to go into the palette and decide what you want to change. Her lips, her eyes. Okay, let's give her, I don't know, purple. I've always wanted eyes like that. Her skin, her hair. You know, and you can have different hair. Oh, that matches her lips. Nice. Maybe we could have eyes in the same color. That'll be crazy, huh? But you can match it up as you wish. You can also change her clothes by going to the clothing next to the cap. You can put a hat on her. Here it comes. Notice the middle is the category, and on the right is whatever is available there. Different hats that you may wish to put on her or other prompts. Hair, you can change her hairstyle to various hairstyles. Put glasses on her. These are the different glasses that are available there, okay, or here, whichever works for you. I think I'll choose this one. When you're ready, let's go on to the bottom right here and hit save. After you hit save, there we are. Let's hit save here. We're going to, oh, we didn't choose audio. Okay, it'll always remind you that you need to choose audio because that's what this is about. It's Voki. That means an avatar that speaks. So I'm going to go to the voice, and I've got a few options here. Notice this is text. I add text to this area. I can use my voice, telephone, or if I have audio already on, I can add that, or, you know, you can add music, whatever you'd like to add, but I hope you add something about you. Going to go into voice and add my voice. Hi there, this is Nellie, and this was a demo on how to use Voki. I've been using Voki since I think around 2009. I absolutely love it, and my students love it. What I enjoy most is listening to my students' avatars as they introduce themselves, talk about various topics, and have fun. I'm looking forward to seeing your Voki avatar. Thank you for watching. Going to stop that. There we are. Uploading the audio. Processing the audio. Should be ready depending on how long. I believe for the free you get 60 seconds. I pay. Hi there. This is Nellie, and this was a demo on how to use Voki. I've been using Voki since I think around 2009. I absolutely love it, and my students love it. What I enjoy most. All right, so for the rest, I'm going to post it. Now we need to give the character a name. This is where we add the title. Remember at the beginning I told you that the title setting will come later, and it is right here. And it says character name, so we're naming the character. And the character is Nellie with a demo. All right, of Voki. That's a long one, right? Can't make it too long. That's how long. There. So I'll remember what I've got on that. Wait a few seconds. Here it comes. Now you've got the option of sharing it. Now you can have it viewed this way or horizontally. This is the vertical view. All right, let me show you what you can do here. You can change the view by going into embed. You can share the link, and you can also share it in social networks or by email. Going to go into embed, hit that. Notice the options here. There's the vertical option. Okay, there you can see by the image. And the landscape or horizontal view. And then you've got different dimensions as well as a custom. So let me open that up. Okay, here we are. You can have small, custom size, or large. I think medium is kind of nice. Let me, and you've got two kinds of embed codes, the standard, which I don't like. And on Moodle, please use iframe or it won't work. There, I'll copy it, or I can copy it from here, embed copied. Then I'm going to go into my course there, and I'm going to add my Voki over here. All I need to do is go into the HTML, which is right here in the editor. Every editor has it. Click on it, go to the bottom, paste it. I can take a look at what it looks like by disabling the HTML. Wait a few seconds until it comes up. It's coming. There it is. And there's my Voki. I can then post a forum. I'm going to remove it. This was just a demo. Go down to Introduction by Nellie. All right, there it is. Reintroduction. And there it is. I can now play it. I hope you play each other's Voki avatars and then reply. Reply to everyone after you watch their Voki. If you have any questions, please use the support form. They're available in each of these sessions. Let me just go into edit mode. I'm going to remove that and add the video here instead so that I can help. There we are. And back to our Voki. And there is Nellie, but it's not this Nellie. Let's see what happens after. There we are, Nellie with a demo. Notice all my Vokis are here. And not just mine, others as well. Notice I started, I see in 2009 with a sandbox. All right, go into my account and you'll get a chance to maybe view these. Thank you for watching and enjoy Voki. Thank you.